In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can back up a MySQL database. Now the correct term for this in MySQL is actually dumping. So we're going to be dumping our database. So to achieve this, you want to go to the administration and then select the database or schema that you want to back up. Now on this screen, you're going to select the database that you want to dump. You can select multiple databases if you wish, right? Now here you have the option to choose between dump structure and data only, dump data only, and dump structure only. Now if you dump the structure, that's only like your DDL script that would create your tables, store procedures, and function. Now if your database have objects like store procedures and functions, right, and triggers, you can select those options here. You can choose between a dump to a project folder or export to a self-contained file. Now the difference is that for the dump to project folder, each table will be exported into a separate file. This allows for selective restore. So it all depends on what you want to achieve, right? So for this case, I'm just going to select one file for simplicity, and I'll be including the create schema. So if you do not include the create schema in your dump, when you're performing the restore, you have to select an existing database or create a new database for the restore. So I'm going to select start export, and my export has been completed because this database only has a single table, so it is pretty quick. And this is the location of my database backup. So let's navigate to the dump directory. Let's copy this, C, project folders, and this is my backup file. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.